Like this old mouse is very cool to me.
Yeah. You know what, I saved the stuff that I wanted. I've got my little museum.
Yeah, it's like this vintage tech stuff is really fun.
And I'm gonna save this.
Which one? How you doing? Ooh. It's a big dog. Digital converter. Not really worth buying. Well, depends on the price.
And all the prices are negotiable too.
Okay. It's like a chrome case. This little phone is cool. Kirkland. It's like rotisserie. Hot plate.
Yeah.
How you doing this morning? Wow, that's a lot of Tupperware. Hello. Good, how are you? There's a brand on it. Three Stooges.
We got a little bit of everything most people don't want. And a party.
You know, would you guys do
Oh, excuse me. Sorry.
$5 for the pair of these?
Yeah. Sure.
$1 off?
Want a bag?
Sure. Try not to break them.
Yeah, those are neat. My mom
Yeah.
used that one to make her tea.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess one in the bag and I'll carry that one by hand. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, good luck with your sale. Foosball. Olay. Let's see these. Boom, Guitar Hero dongle. Those are good. How much is this? Just take it? Okay, thanks. I like it. It's my favorite kind of sail. These serious boom boxes are nice. Probably should buy it. Works with the StarMate, which I have. Nice. How about this guy? How much on your boombox?
How much?
That's $20.
20 bucks.
20?
Brand new. Brand new. Everything.
Oh, it comes with the StarMate. Okay, yeah, that's fair. I'll do that. I have the StarMate 4 right now.
Oh, is that right? Oh,
Yeah, so that's a newer one.
That's the newer one?
Yeah.
They said about this one.
They want to buy that one?
Oh, Daddy, did somebody already buy this? I saw
Somebody already bought this.
Oh, that's I saw somebody.
Yep.
Someone's gonna have some fun with that.
It is fun.
Hey, how you doing?
Bye.
20 bucks, there you go.
Excellent.
Awesome.
Cool, cool,
job.
guys.
All right.
Yeah, I will. You guys been having a lot of traffic? A lot of customers, yeah? Good.
Been pretty busy.
That's going well.
Need any other quotes? But,
I was looking at them. I do have this weird, like, thing for collecting cords. Like, this old mouse is very cool to me.
yeah. You know what I saved the stuff that I wanted. I've got my little museum.
Yeah, it's like this vintage tech stuff is
It
really
is.
fun.
And I'm gonna save this.
Which one?
This Hey, how you doing?
Oh, those ergonomic boards.
gonna
Yeah,
save
keyboards.
this. I'm
Yeah,
gonna
those are
save
nice. Yeah. Yeah.
The old Microsoft one.
Nice. Yeah, those
The
are cool.
volume up and down.
I have a.
I was gonna stick it out there. I was like, nah.
Yeah. No, I get you. I feel it.
Go in the,
Just like little Lenovo does. Just got a bunch of cool little cords here.
Yeah.
How much you selling this box for?
That is in the book stuff.
Let's see the box. Let me see what's in the box.
It's like, here, let me pass it over to you so you can take a look. Like random dongles, docks, that sort of stuff.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you.
What do you give me?
What's that?
What do you give me?
I wasn't thinking big numbers. I was thinking like $5.
All right, $5.
You'll do it? It's more of just like a thing I like to look through than a need.
Exactly. And I was the same way, and I like kept all the stuff, and I was like, no.
Yeah. All right. Cool. Well, yeah. Thanks, man.
All right,
Awesome.
you're welcome.
I will. Let's see. How far away did I park? I think I can carry it, maybe. Yeah, I'm good. Okay. Cool. Thank you. You too. Find Uncle Fester. The game. That's fun. Got music on. Lot of cool vintage stuff here. $40 for the TV.
she say on this? Okay, these are priceless. It's not mine, it's hers, and she won't take less.
How you guys doing?
Good, huh?
Wait, is this like a little robot vacuum type of thing?
That piece right there goes on it.
This here?
And I don't know, it's my daughter's.
Okay.
Call her up and let her explain it.
It's alright, I can look it up. You don't gotta call her. I can probably YouTube it.
Some kind of robot.
I'll get for $3. I'll try it out. Why not? $3.50. Let me just look at this one last table.
No, 5.
What
No, she said 5. I can't do it for us and what she told me to do that.
is this little?
Are you there?
As seen on Shark Tank.
Okay, so this is 3.
See a Brooks box. Is it empty? It is. Had to check. Wake up, banana, banana. Do, 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 do. See these? How much you got on this little thing? Illuminate?
I don't know.
Little light thingy? Well, I'm at $3.50. I don't know. Would you do like a buck on it?
Sure.
So $4.50? Let me see if I can find something else that's 50 cents. That's cool. Let's see. This is cool. Oh, these are fun. Look at this one.
Okay.
That put me at $5.
All right. You got a bag in your hand?
So we're at $5. Oh wait, one.
Give me that. Thank you.
You don't like that?
Okay.
Okay, thank you guys. Good luck.
Morning.
Morning. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good. Pretty cool tractor.
Yeah, it's for sale.
I didn't bring that much with me to the yard sale.
You want to put those shoes on? Okay. You put those shoes on
Treat shampoo.
Put the other shoes on. You got the shoes on.
How much is this box?
$1 each.
$1 each, okay.
It does the.
It's all brand new?
Yeah.
You got 13 in here. Would you do 10 bucks?
Sure.
Cool.
What? Can you put those on, please?
Nanny, come here.
Here you go.
Thank you.
I'm gonna keep looking. Yeah.
Hey, somebody else.
Thank you. Alright, I think I'm gonna grab this. Thank you guys. Good luck with your sale. Is there any sales that way or it's just that way?
I don't think there are any. I think they're mostly up that street and down in the cul-de-sac to the right.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Wow, talk about an awesome variety of pickups today at these yard sales. I hope you guys enjoyed that footage. I love that Sirius radio I grabbed, and I love that little Guitar Hero dongle. Anything small like that everyone else misses and you know about is just always really rewarding. If you guys did enjoy that, comment down below. Let me know what your favorite item I found today was. If you want to see a yard sale that got really frustrating, but we still ended up scoring big by the end of the day, check out this video next. Oh, and make sure you subscribe.